Villanueva. 10,
Tabihan ko lang sa
5, 4. Santos rolls first blood 2-0 in favor of white team. 15, 10. Ramos now.
Mamshi. Eh, bakit nakinig mo?
Tolentino. 15 to shoot. Dilmondo lays it in. The 2-all. Whatever rebound by Bernardino, and he walks it in. 4-2. Here comes Tolentino. 10 to shoot. Number 17 with a floater. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Here comes the white team swinging out. Ramos. What a good pass to Bernardino. Bounce pass to Villanueva, but again, short. On Tolentino. Tolentino crosses over. Number 21 pulls up. Basket for 2. Shout out sa Batang Toledo. Taufik Muhammad. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Koji going to the other side. Hey, what's the score up? There's a foul committed by Eric Ramos. First personal foul. First team foul. Two free throws coming up for Koji Marcelo. Outbreak check for now by Koji Marcelo. First shot is good. Last shot is also good for Koji Marcelo. John pass to Eric Ramos. Eric going inside, pass back to John. John pass to Eric. And it's stolen by Redmond. Redmond going to the other side. Looking for his teammate. For the perimeter shot. It's good. 2 points for Redmond. Eric, inbound pass to Alfie. Alfie to the ball. Going ISO. Pass to Eric. Pass to Giant. Stolen by Francis Garcia. Pass to Karen. Got it, pass back to Frank, and the ball is intercepted. Ball is still in favor of Team B. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Denver, pass to Frank. Frank, no good. Rebounded by Alfie. Alfie pushing to the other side, looking for a steaming pass to Santos for 2. No good. And it's still recovered by Eric, pass to Alfie, and there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Koji Marcelo, first personal foul, first team foul. Shout out Morris Apresto, enter Mrs. Apresto and Baby Morris. First shot, Alfie is good. Last shot is also good for Alfie. Score is 8 against 6 in favor of Team Beach. Marcelo with the ball, pass to Jared Belmondo. Jared going inside for the lead. It's good. 2 points for Jared is good. Jared pass to Alfie. Alfie pass to Eric Ramos. Eric with the ball going inside, pass to Jan. Jan going inside for the layup. It's blocked by Frank. Jan pass to Santos. Santos for 3. No good. Rebound by Jan. And second for and there's a second violation called by the referee. Ball is in favor of Team Beach. Gavin pass to Denver. Denver to the ball. Pass to Redmond. Redmond pass back to Denver. Good to shoot. Denver for 2. Passport. No good. Rebounded by Santos. Santos to the ball. Pass to Eric Ramos. 15. 1 minute, 35 seconds left. Santos for 3. No good. Redmond for the rebound. Redmond pass to Denver. 15. Redmond pass to Denver. Denver for 3. No good. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Alfie. Alfie to the other side. Going ISO. Turnaround spin. Crossover pass to Ryan. No good. Stolen by Koji Marcelo. Koji going inside for the no good. By Santos. 50 seconds time remaining. Santos pass to Alfie. Alfie going ISO. Pass to Eric. Eric for easy 2. No good. Rebound by Santos. Santos for 3. No good. Rebound by Eric. Eric pass to Alfie. Alfie for the layup. So good. Rebound by Frank. 25 seconds time remaining. Frank for the crossover pass to Patty Belmondo for 2. Is good. Time out. Team White. Special shout out from Palisay, Miss Kat, and Ate Cor from Liwan, tsaka Ate Mika. Mobile Legends Commissioner. Inom tayo mag-shot. 18 seconds left, no more shot clock. 18 seconds time remaining. Shot clock is 40 seconds. Wala? No? Okay. Pass to Santos. Santos, pass to Eric. Eric for 2 is good. 2 points for Eric. 5 seconds time remaining. 3, 2, 1. Special shout out to Eric and Robin, to Batman and Robin of Team Blue. Let's get back to the ball game. Ref, ball of white, Team Purple. Let's get back to the ball game. Correct, please choose two players from the other team. Pasal di ba? Asal
Pwede ba ano, sa muna yan? Pwede ba sa muna?
Sino?
Ulang ko? Kami nga, laging pick. Last lang kami na kompleto.
Isa lang ganun.
Anim lang kami, wala rin kami sira.
Hala, sorry! Yung watch mo. Pantay tayo dyan.
Isang palaruan.
Brian, labas! Huwag ka magtawa.
Ate, ayun na ba? Oo, na ba yun?
Okay, ball in favor of Team White. Santos pass to Eric. Pass to McCoy for two. No good. And the ball is still in favor of Team White. John pass to McCoy. McCoy pass to Santos. Santos is for three. Denver pass to Redmond, pass back to Denver. Denver going inside, and there's a foul. Who's fouled? Number 19. Please raise your hand. John. Two free throws coming up for Denver. First shot, 8 coming up. Last throw for Denver. Tolentino is good. Remember Redmond? Redmond with the first teammate pass to Denver. Front. Okay, Denver Redmond pass to JP. JP to the ball. Pass to Denver. Denver for two is good. 2 points for Denver. Tolentino is good. Alfie to the ball. Pass to John. Stolen by JP. Going to the other side, looking for a pass to Marcelo. 2 points by Koji. Marcelo is good. And pass to McCoy for 3. No good. Remember JP? JP going to the other side, pass to Koji. Marcelo for 2 is good. 2 points by Koji. Pass to Alfred. Alfred to the ball. And the ball is recovered by Eric. And the shoot. Eric for 2. Bang! 2 points for Eric. Ramos is good. Sending one pass to JB. JB to the ball. Pass to Denver. Denver for 2, no good. John to the ball, go to the side. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? 21, Redmond. First personal foul. First team foul. Ball is still in favor of Team White. Pass to Eric. Eric pass to McCoy. Time to shoot as Alfie. 5 to shoot, 4, 3, Alfie for 2, no good. Remember Redmond. Redmond pass to Koji Marcelo. Koji, good pass to Denver for 2 is good. 2 points for Denver is good. Alfie pass to Santos. Santos for 3, no good. Remember JP. Pass to Eric. Oh no, it's stolen by Eric. Eric going inside. Pass to McCoy. McCoy pass back to Eric. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 1, JP. First personal foul. Second team foul. Santos pass to John. John looking for stealing, pass to Eric. And the shoot. Eric through the ball. Pass to John. And it's stolen by Koji. Koji pass to Redmond. Redmond pass back to Koji. Koji pass to JP. JP going nice, so pass to Denver for 3. no good. Rebound by Santos. Santos going to the other side. Take the ball, pass to Eric. Eric pass to Macol. Macol for 3 for Talisay. No good. Koji with the ball. And it's kick ball. Time out, Team Beach. Score 21 against 13 in favor of Team Beach. Same ball. Same ball, same ball. Sunny, pass to Jen. Jen pass to Santos. Santos. Good. Santos good. Bye. No good. Santos for the rebound. Give the ball. Santos for 3. Air ball. And the ball is in favor of Team Beach. JP pass to Redman. Redman pass to JP pass to Sam. Pass to Denver. Denver for 3. No good. Wilmot for the rebound. Pass to Alfie. Alfie going to the other side. Alfie for the layup. No good. And the ball is in favor of Team Beach. JP for the layup. Next for timeout. Team Beach. Let's get back to the ball game. Special shout out to Leon Salazar, center of Team Black. Pick mo na, bang! Nakuha mo yan? Johnny pass to Eric. Eric through the ball. Looking for stealing pass on the ball and the ball is inflected. The ball is in favor of Team Village. JP pass to Koji Marcelo. Koji through the ball. Going ISO. 15. Going inside for the closer. 2 points for Koji. Alfie through the ball. 1 minute and 16 seconds to shoot. Eric through the ball. 10 seconds to shoot for 3. No good. Rebound by JP. JP, long pass to Denver. Denver, bounce pass to Koji for 2. Is good. 2 points for Koji is good. Santos with the ball. Come on. Pass to Eric. 10 to shoot. Eric with the ball pass. 5 to shoot. Santos for the layup. It's good. 2 points for Santos is good. Pass to Koji. 45 seconds on remaining. Pass to JP. JP for the forever. No good. Rebound by Eric. And there's a foul. Reaching foul by Sunny. Number 20. First personal foul. 13 foul. Eric with the ball. 15. Eric pass to Alfie. Alfie took the ball. Almost stolen, but recovered by Santos. McCoy pass to Alfie. 5, 4, 3, 2. And it's no good. End of the second quarter. Score 27 against 17. 10-point lead, Team Beach.
Sinasabi ko kanina, binabagal. Tapos yung point guard.
Special shout out to Senator Baton. Thank you for doing. The pride of Mayday. Thank you for coming. Change court. Ball in favor of Team Beach. Danny, inbound pass to JP. JP pass to Whitman. Whitman pass back to JP. Pass to Danny. And then the rotation. Down for 3. No good. Diba by Koji? Koji pass to Whitman for 3 minutes. Air ball. Diba by Ryan? Ryan pass to Eric. Eric to the ball going ISO. Pass back to John. John with the ball going inside for 2. 2 points for John is good. JB took the ball. Pass to Ryan. 50%. Ryan going inside for the floaters. No good. And there's a traveling violation. And the ball is stolen. Frank, posting for Eric Ramos. Eric pass almost stolen. Eric pass to Alfred. And the shot. 7 seconds to shoot. Team White. Eric Ramos pass to John. 6 seconds to shoot. 3, 2. And what's the call of? Foul. 47. Alfie Villanueva. Frank, inbound pass to JP. JP pass to Tanner for 3, no good. You got about Tanner, pass to Koji. Koji will try and 3, no good. The ball is put by Ryan. Ryan is staying by Whitman. Pass to Tanner for 2 is good. 2 points for Tanner is good. John to the ball. 50%. Alpha for 3, no good. And the ball is in favor of Team Beach. Right pass to Koji for the up, and there's a foul. Second personal foul for John. Second team foul for Team White. 2 free throws coming up for Koji. Marcelo. Bunk. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Santos. Santos pass to Eric. Eric to the ball. Pass to Ryan. Good to the shirt. Nice move by Ryan. Almost lost the ball, but lost the ball. Foul for Daiso, pass to Koji Nobu, Nicolas Santos. Santos pass to Eric. Eric, good crossover, 18 to 7. Eric pass to Santos, and to Shane, no good. Number by Jan and out of bounds. Ball in favor of Team Beach. 4 minutes and 30 seconds time remaining of the third quarter. Pass to Frank. Frank, long pass to JP. 15. Redman for 3. Bang! 3 points for. Eric, dribble. 15. Left timeout, then pull out. 10. And there's a foul. Time out, ref. Team White, sino na foul, ref? 18? 17? Sino number 17? Koji. Second personal foul. First team foul. Let's get back to the bowling. Special shout out to Ram TV. Welcome. 10 to shoot for 3. Bang! 3 points for Eric Ramos. Frank, long pass to JB. JB with the ball. 15 to shoot. Pass to Frank. 10 to shoot. And the ball is recovered. Ball is stolen by Eric. Eric pass to Alfred and it's stolen by Darren. Darren took the ball. Going nice over the first team. Pass to Koji. Koji pass back to Darren. Pass to Redman for 3. No good. You put the front. Ooh. What happened, ref? Pregnant foul. Third foul for a first personal foul for Ryan. 13th foul. 2 free throws for Frank. Cheesecake na naman. Ano ba yan, Frank? Frank, second shot is good. John pass to Eric. Eric took the ball. Go to the other side. Eric for 2. No good. Over my friend. Traveling violation. Call by the referee. JP crossover. JP pass to Koji. Koji will try a 3. No good. It's air ball. Ball in favor of Team Beach. Ryan pass to Eric. Eric took the ball. Eric pass to Alvin. And there's a foul. Again by Koji. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 1 minute and 45 seconds time remaining. First shot by Alfie, no good. Second throw, no good. Rebound by Frank. Whoa, what a nice pass by Frank to Darren. Wow. Galing up. John, dribble ball. John pass to Eric. Eric dribble ball. Eric going inside. No, pass to Alfie. Alfie for 2 is good. 2 points for Alfie is good. Last 1 minute time remaining on the third quarter. JB pass to Redman. Redman for the perimeter. No good. Remember Ryan. Pass to Alfie. Pass to him and traveling violation. Substitution ref. Al putting in queuing. See Sunny. JB pass to Frank. Frank. Going down to short. Frank for three. No good. Number by Chen. Chen pass to Eric. And swinging by Darren. At the shoot. Darren, no good. And boss, swinging to the team guy. And it's end of the third quarter. Score 36 against 24 in favor of Team Beige. Ref ball in favor of Team White, fourth quarter. Special shout out to Brian Bahara, our commissioner for today. Sana okay ka lang. Thank you, Senator Bato, for referring us. Thank you, Senator Bato, for referring with us. Disqualified agad. Ball, favor of Team White. Special shout out to Mohammed Osman. And pass to Chan for the turnover there against Lobo. The ball is swinging. Pass to front. JP through the ball. JP pass to Sonny. Fourth David. Sonny pass to Denver. Denver pass to Karen. Three goes to pass to JP. Pass to Sonny. Pass back to Denver. Denver for three. No good. The ball by Eric. No on the pass. Nakahead ng kapsul si Eric. Pass to Santos. Santos for three. Bang! No good. Number Alfie, no good again. Ay, wala si Alfie pala. Si Ryan pala. Eric pass to Chan. Chan pass to McCoy. Tayan to shot. Pass to Santos. Five to shoot. Santos for three. No good. Stolen by Chan. Eric for two. No good. By Frank. Frank going to the reserve. What a pass by Frank. And the ball is out of hands. Ball in favor of Team White. Score 36 against 24. 12-point lead by Team Beige. Ramos in the ball. Pass to McCoy. McCoy pass to Santos. Tayan to shoot. Pass to Eric. Eric for three. Long two lang left. Okay, sorry. Pasensya na. Long two only for Eric Ramos. Darren will try a three. Three left. Hindi long two. Okay, it's a free. McCoy pass to Eric. Eric will try again. No, Eric's going inside. Pass to Tayan to serve. The ball is still in favor of Team White. 9 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to Eric. Eric pass to Chan. 5. Chan, 4. No good. Rebound by Sonny. Sonny going to the other side. Sonny good pass to Darren for 2. It's good. 2 points for Darren is good. John and ball pass to McCoy, pass to Santos. Santos going inside for the what's the call, ref? And it's a blocking foul called by the referee by number 27. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Santos. First row. Hay nako. Shot. Sub. Ryan out. Alfie in. Okay. Pagpunto naman tayo. JC JP pass to Denver for the left, and it's blocked. And that's a far. Number 19, sino number 19 dyan? Jan, you have third personal foul, ha? First team foul. 2 free throws for Denver Tolentino. First round is good. First shot for Denver is good. Second shot. Airball. Eric for three, no good. Oh, Santos, no good. We put up JP pass to Sonny going to the side, pass to Denver. Pass to Chad, no, it's still by Chad. Pass to Santos. Santos for three. Bang! 3 points by Santos. Denver dribbling, timing in 4 minutes to be exact. Pass to JP, pass back to Denver. 15 to shoot, 15 to shoot. JP pass to Frank. Bang to shoot. Frank going inside, Frank going inside. Good! A layup by Frank. 2 points for Frank is good. Eric, dribble the ball. Eric, turnover, crossover. 4-2, no good. And it's returned by Sonny. Sonny pass to Frank. Frank pass to Denver. It is good. Frank for the rebound. Santos for the rebound. Santos looking for his limit. Pass to Judd. Judd pass to McCoy. McCoy will try. No good. Long pass to JP. And there's a foul called by the referee. Number 19. 4 personal foul. Second team foul. Front pass to JP for 3. 3 points by JP is good. Eric, dribble the ball. Eric, pass to Santos. Santos going inside. Bang to shoot. Santos, stolen by JP. JP dribble the ball, pass to Darren. No good. Rebound by JP, no. Rebound by Denver is good. 2 points for Denver is good. Alfie, pass to Eric. Last 2 minutes. And there's a foul called by the referee. By number 4. First personal foul for Gavin. Second team foul. Eric, pass to McCoy. McCoy, pass to Eric. Pass to Santos. Santos for 3. Bang! Another 3 for Santos. Sobra ba? Denver and no good. Stop. Time out. Team right. Alfie. One minute and 34 seconds, time remaining. John pass to McCoy. McCoy pass to Santos. Santos for three. No good. The ball by front. Pass to Koji Marcelo. Koji pass to JP. Pass to Sunny. And it's out of bounds.
Matitirahin ka na.
Santos pass to Eric. Eric to the ball. Eric going nice. Pass to Alfie. Alfie for two is good. 2 points for Alfie is good. 1 minute time remaining. Front pass to JP. Oh, what's that call, ref? Foul? Unspoke? Not unspoke, foul lang. Sige. Foul for Alfie. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Frank pass to Sunny. Sunny pass to JP. Ball to shoot. Pass to Koji for two is good. 2 points for Koji is good. Last 35 seconds to be exact. Pass to Eric. Eric will try. No good. We go by JP. And another foul. Call for the referee. Third personal foul for Alfie. Warning for a penalty. Pass to Frank. Penalty ref. Fourth personal foul for Alfie. First shot, cheesecake na naman. Second throw, no good. Ito by Koji. Koji for the floater is good. 15 seconds time remaining. 10 seconds time remaining. No good. Rebound by Redman, 3, 2,